Coronavirus continues to spread. Local businesses are forced to make plans to keep their workers and customers safe. And the decisions they make have an impact on community safety as well.
And KSNT News reporter Hannah Brandt joins us live now to explain how one local business is handling that dilemma. Hannah?
Yeah, Brooke, Molly, the Kansas Health Department experts do have some guidelines when it comes to child care centers and coronavirus, but they leave a lot of choices up to the business. And one local child care center had to make some tough choices this week when they realized they might have been exposed to the virus.
After 3 months of being closed, it was back to business at Loving Arms Child Care and Preschool in Junction City.
We had been gone for a couple months, and they were itching to come back. We were itching to come back.
But just 1 week into reopening,
early Monday morning, we received word that one of our parents had tested positive for COVID-19.
Nerve-wracking news for Loving Arms, which looks after dozens of children in the community.
My first thought was, oh my God, what's going to happen with my babies? So I immediately got into action and started calling around. I was on the phone probably anywhere from 9 o'clock yesterday morning to 6 o'clock yesterday afternoon, trying to get all the pertinent information.
The Kansas Health Department and the Geary County Health Department told them they should call if anyone started showing symptoms, but the rest was up to them.
My whole thing was to be proactive. We understand KDHE and the health department is not telling you to shut down, but you got to think, you have children, other team members have children, you have families, you go into other businesses. Are you your brother's keeper? Yes, you are. You have to be proactive and think about everybody else that you could affect.
So they decided to shut down immediately and get everyone who works there tested.
It was kind of like ordering McDonald's in a way. Like you drive through, you roll on your window, they get you real quick, and then you drive off.
The choice to close their doors again was not quite as painless, but they say they know it was the right one.
Still got staff you got to pay. You still got to get cleaning of the building if that has to happen. You still have parents that you have to reimburse. You still have all these things going on, but you still have COVID-19 going on. So you outweigh life or the money. It's called life. I love living.
And Loving Arms is planning to open back up next week once all of their staff have been tested and cleared. They do tell me if someone does test positive, they plan on having a professional crew come in to clean and disinfect everything. And I did talk with the Geary County Emergency Management Director about just how they're handling businesses that might have been exposed to the virus. Here's how that discussion went.
It is left up to the business to decide whether they do or don't want to close if they have an employee that tests positive.
That is correct right now. The health department, if they determine that there is an outbreak inside that business, they will work with them, but it will be up to primarily that business.
Now, they do have the power, he says, legally, if a business is refusing to close while they do have an outbreak, to make them do that. But he says ideally they just all work together so that they can come to a solution that's safe for everyone. Live in downtown Topeka, Hannah Brandt, KSNT News.
All right, thank you, Hannah, for all that.